Hello everybody, this is Source Codex aka Jazz Fusion Guy, and I wanted to do a review and unboxing of an MP3 player that I purchased off Amazon. I am not getting paid by Amazon to do this review. This is just my way of letting my viewers have an idea about another way to play music. So as I said in an earlier video about another player, I wanted to have a player that I could keep in my garage or wherever my Bluetooth speakers might be located, and I didn't have my phone available to stream. I wanted to have a player that would do the same thing as my phone. So this is the Luoran MP3 player. It comes in this festive little box. It's the M4S model. 4-inch screen. System is Android. Charging is USB-C. And you can listen to the radio. You can read books, ebooks in text format, and you can look at all these various audio files, as well as video files, as well as pictures. And the expandable capacity of this guy is 512 gigabytes. Currently, I have in it a 256 gigabyte card fully loaded. Now, in this section is your charger as well as headphones. It comes in this nice protective case here that I like. And let's turn it on. So you hold the button in a while. And there the logo comes up. I'll let you see these things closer. And look at the reflection of my phone at the same time. Ooh, colors. I'm a sucker for colors. So this is the power-up time we're looking at. The wallpaper that will come up on the screen is a cover from one of my albums. So it does allow you to change the wallpaper. This is Source Codex's Before the Beginning Began. All right, still loading. And there you have all your little app icons. And like a cell phone, you have others. And others. And others. This is marketed as a child-friendly device. Parents can set controls on what their children listen to or watch or whatever. I deleted the kids Spotify and I disabled the parental controls because I don't need to control myself. So you've got basically two players here as far as playing your music. So far in owning this for about a day or two, I've decided to use the Hi-Bi music player. Just what comes installed. Okay, now you can look at titles, folder, album, or artist. And these all work. This is nice. So let's look at albums. Okay. So I have a slew of albums. I have like 237 gigabytes of music, like close to 3,800 songs on here. So let's just listen to a little bit of ambient music by Kelvin Smith. This is back in the MP3.com days. But before we listen on Bluetooth, let's see how it sounds just through the speakers on the unit itself. And this is all the way up. Not so loud. So let's go back to the home screen. Let me turn on my Bluetooth speaker first. I'm using a Cambridge Soundworks designed speaker called the Oomst. And there it is. It already picked it up. But what you do when you want to go to Wi-Fi, let's turn this down a little bit. Okay, so right here it's showing the device it's playing, and if you have another Bluetooth you want to add, you can add that. It also looks at previously connected devices. So that's my Bose speaker down in the garage. So it's nice that it does these sort of things. Let's go back to the home page. How about gallery? So while you're listening to music, you can look at pictures that are on your phone. These are mainly album covers and whatnot. It's my favorite guitar there. Sorry, I'm not holding it where you can see stuff. But anyhow, you can look at pictures, and this lets you look at videos as well. Let's check out District 97's Two of a Kind tribute to Bill Bruford and Alan Holdsworth. So here's a video coming on. Let's just resume from where I watched yesterday. Turn it up a little bit. It's a nice little screen, you know, lays in your hand. So there's the music, volume down. Let's go back to where we were. And I have a slew of videos here, but we won't look at all those right now. So you can look at videos, you can listen to music. You can also get on Spotify. Let's see what happens there. See if it remembers my sign-in from earlier today. And here we go. Chad Wackerman, Sean Lane. Let's listen to what I was listening to earlier. I'm only playing little snippets because my station is monetized, and if I play anything that's copyrighted, it'll completely knock all monetization off of this video. So you got Pandora, you got Amazon Music, you've got Tidal. I don't use Tidal. You've got Audible. You've got something called Libby, which allows you to get into libraries. You've got your sound recorder for making whatever recordings, voice recordings you want to do. You've got file transfer. You've got Chrome. Let's see what comes up there. See if it's still on the same page that I left it on. Okay, so this is my Bandcamp page, And this is a song that I cover of a Mahavishnu orchestra song. So this is streaming music off of the internet via Wi-Fi. Pretty cool. So I like all those goodies and possibilities. Let's see what else we got here. You can do something called file transfer, and you have file managers for all your stuff on here, which is nice. The other MP3 player I had, you could not even delete or manage or do anything with your files. I mean, as in a common day vernacular, the other player blew chunks. But this one is really nice. I am really enjoying this. I'm trying to see what else we can talk about that's interesting. Like I said, you can set your battery saver on. You can log into Wi-Fi. You've got your Bluetooth, apps, your battery. It's kind of low. You can change your display. You can do stuff with your sound, your storage, security, screen lock, system stuff. There's truly more than enough stuff on this phone to keep you satisfied. So there, my battery ran out. I was using it a lot yesterday and this morning, and I charged it up long enough for the video to get it done, and I did. So that's good. I highly recommend this little guy. Let's see. It's got a nice little how-to installation, button description. But if you're like me, you learn more by fiddling around with stuff than reading instructions. You got your 4-inch screen on there. It doesn't weigh very much, 140 grams. Your resolution is 480 by 800 pixels. It is made out of metal and tempered glass. Bluetooth is 5.0. Wi-Fi is dual band 2.4 and a 5G. Charging time is about 2 hours. And there's all your video formats, your audio formats. And it does have a radio, FM radio, but to use the FM radio, you have got to take the headphones out and plug them into your device, and your headphone wires act as an antenna. So even though this is marketed as for kids, hey, this works for the big kids too, like me. And I really like the interface. It behaves a lot like an Android phone in some respects. It's just you won't be able to receive or send calls. So I bought this at Amazon Prime Days for under $40. Now I think it's up to around $50. But it's well worth it. When you look at some of the other players on Amazon are way over $100. You just don't need all the other bells and whistles. You want to listen to music, watch videos, look at pictures or whatever. This is all you're going to need. And it comes with a warranty. I don't remember how long it is, but it doesn't really matter. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. I highly recommend this MP3 player called Luoran. Ciao.